Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to learn how to do cinematic color grading in Photoshop. This is going to be a simple and easy technique. Fine, let's get started. First, open the image you want to edit in Photoshop. Now create a duplicate copy of the image. You can do it manually like so, else you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Once you're done, next we're going to create gradient map layer. We're going to use a different technique here. First, create a layer, go to color picker. Now pick any color you want. I'm going with white here. Now fill the color. I used keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Now reduce the fill down to 0. Fine. Next, right click, go to blending option. Now enable gradient overlay. Now I'm going to keep the mode as normal. Now click the gradient bar and select the neutral density. By default this will be available in all the Photoshop, so don't worry. Now click the neutral density, click OK. Now enable the reverse option. I'm going with style as radial. I'm going to keep the angle as 90. It's up to you. You can change the angle if you want. Next I'm going to change the scale. Before changing the scale part, in case if you want to change the position of the gradient means, you can change it like so by using your mouse cursor. That's why you've gone with this kind of gradient technique. Now I'm going to keep the scale as 114. Now click OK. Next we're going to create a channel mixer adjustment layer to edit the color tones. Now create a new adjustment layer which is channel mixer. There first I'm going to edit the blue channel. I'm going to bring down the blue bar down to 0. Now I'm going to increase the green bar to 100 to create such kind of effect. Fine. Next in this image, if you look closely, we got that reddish tone. I'm going to take care of that by selecting the red channel. Here I'm going to bring down the red bar a little bit down. Nothing much, I'm going to bring it down to 95. Now I'm going to bring down the green down to around something -20. There you go. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Based on your image, feel free to experiment with the channels to get your desired output. Next I'm going to take care of the reddish tone on the model image. This one is a little bit harsh. I'm going to take care of that by creating a hue saturation adjustment layer. This one. There I'm going to select red. First I'm going to reduce the saturation level a little bit. Something around -2 to 5. Next I'm going to increase the brightness. I'm going to increase it around 20. Next I'll play with the hue saturation bar a little bit. I'll keep it as +6. Fine, I made a very slight minor adjustment. This one is before and after. There you go, the model looks perfect. Next I'm going to add an orange tone so that background grass will look a little more prominent. For that we're going to use a solid color technique. Now create a solid color adjustment layer, this one. There I'm going to select color E28B3E. Yes, I'm going with this orange color, click OK. Now I'm going to change the layer blending mode to overlay. This one looks a little harsh. I'm going to bring down the opacity level down to 30%. Fine. Next on the bottom part of the image looks a little darker. So I'm going to add a brightness contrast adjustment layer. Now create a new brightness contrast adjustment layer. There I'm not going to adjust the brightness. I'm okay with the brightness. I'm going to reduce the contrast level down to around 20%. Fine, now the image looks much better. This one is before, after. Looks great. Next, the image got a yellow tint. I'm going to take care of that. I'm going to use curves adjustment layer, create new curves adjustment layer. There, select the blue curve. I'm going to pull the top curve a little bit up and bottom curve little bit up. Now our image got minimal blue tone. This one is before, after. Looks perfect. There you go, we are done with the color grading process. In case if you want to increase the brightness, means you can create exposure adjustment layer. You can add some exposure. It's optional. If you're okay with the brightness level, means merge all our layer into a single layer using keyboard shortcut Alt Shift Ctrl E. Now save the file. This one is before and this one is the final result. So this is how you can color grade your images using various adjustment layers. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.